Yeah. Shush. Yeah. Niaje wase. So, for today's video, we are gonna be doing yet another unboxing. This time it's Jigsaw. And from the saw name, unajua ni kitu ina deal na kukata. Yakata nini? Yakata mbao, of course. Lakini wacha niwaambie, hii kitu pia yaweza kata chuma, yaweza kata nini nyingine tunaweza kata. Chuma, tuseme chuma for now. Nisianze kusema mawe alafu mtu ananiletea mawe ya ujenzi nzima. Niambia so ulisema naweza kata mawe, kata hii. Hold up, chill. So now, wacha niwaambie backstory ya hii kitu. Hii kitu ilikama after nini? So we just done the finishing sander. This came after the finishing sander. And let me tell you, it's not necessary to go on with the tools I have from now that I'll be doing videos of. But the need came when my circular saw wouldn't do some cuts in some areas and some type of cuts. Like ningetaka kufanya curve, cut nini singeweza. Mbona? Cha nionyeshe iko tu hapa. Because of this. You understand? This thing comes with this thing and it's permanent. The only adjustment is that it goes down and up. That's it. That doesn't mean it can come out forever and then you just take the blade wherever you want to take. So, since it was already cutting wood, me am over here like, sasa nimepata hiki job, nimekosa kuchukua kwa sababu siwezi kata a certain curve or something. Ama mbona naenda tena? You understand? This thing comes from, I have gone to another fundi somewhere, uko Kikuyu town. Nimemlipa, ndio akanikatia hiyo mbao venye nataka. Understand? I already know venye nataka. Understand? I already know the exact measurements ya venye nitakata. Whatever is just stopping me is the fact that I don't have kitu ya kukata. Yeah. So until I had kitu ya kukata, inabidi mtu mwingine anakula. So now, let's go to this tool. I don't know whether I've answered anything. So that's why I ended up getting this, because of those specific cuts that I couldn't do. So our jigsaw comes with 5 blades. The 5. Oh, already one is not here, and this one is already used. Nimerudisha tu ndio ikae. But understand, udems anafanya unboxing baadaye kiasi. Nilikuwa nishafanya hizi video, acha niwaambie. Like sasa hiyo time ikiwa mpya. Then my hard drive crashed. So now bear with me when I'm doing this now. So yeah, so this is the one I'm using now. The other one that was here, Vunjikad, when I was experimenting. So this is the one I've been using for the past almost year. This, it comes with this. So now, chaniona taka wameziandika hapa. So this has measurements, and at the same time it just helps you align. Like if you want to do straight cuts, itakusaidia sana. Sasa pia kuna sasa machine yenyewe. No, I told you, no, this last tools even have the price tag, they have the papers, kila kitu. Down to those ninis that funga the cables. You know those two black things, eh? They're somewhere, because they helped me funga some cables somewhere. So yeah, I've already shown you those two. The manual as well. Let me show you. Hiya, this one comes with carbon brushes. Me, I'm telling you, this carbon brushes as Jaisha. Comes with this and the carbon brushes. Ama nimiguess carbon brushes mazee ziko kwa hii kitu kweli? For sure. Inakuja nazo. And this is just for you to open up this space and, you know, put the blade. You put the blade here and you open and close with this. So they come in there too. Just in case upoteze moja, wanakwambia fam, we got you covered. Mbona unapoteza vitu? Lakini ukipoteza ingine itabidi ununue. Na ndio mashini yenyewe aka hivi. Hii nilipoteza karatasi ilianguka mahali, lakini ni sawa. But they don't be throwing those two papers. If you want to DIY and fix yourself or change the fuse of this thing, hizi papers zinakuanga hapa, zinakuanga na hiyo inakuonesha kila kitu. What's the neutral wire, what's the live wire, what's the, inakueleza ndio ujue na ndio uweze kurudisha penye yafaa. Elewa, those two papers, they're not useless. Those two, you've seen them on other machines. Let me see. These are the papers I mean. These are the papers I mean. Inakuanga imekueleza kila kitu kuhusu your place. So in case your fuse chapas because of stima and everything, you're good to go. Hey. Now this thing needs you to be very steady. Understand, Shiflo ndo huyo amechora line yake kwa mbao. Anang'ang'ana kukata, anakata. Lakini kitu inaweza kupiga chenga. Ujipate umekata line straight, uelewa? Si kama circular itaenda iende. Hii inaweza kupiga chenga, that's why it can do those cuts. I'll do a video on that, mazi. And that wraps up our Jigsaw unboxing. Go subscribe, mazi. Especially you who really wants to just do things by yourself, but you're just curious. Subscribe.